Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use passkeys instead of passwords. Passkeys provides more secure and convenient way to sign in supported apps and websites without using traditional password. And when creating a new account or signing into a website that supports passkeys, you need to look for the option to create a passkey or sign in with a passkey. Your iPhone will prompt you to save the passkey using your Face ID, Touch ID or your device passcode. Once saved, the passkey is securely stored in the passwords and synced through the iCloud chain to the other Apple devices. Sign in with the same Apple account. And the next time you sign in, simply verify your identity with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode instead of entering your password. Passkeys are designed to be resistant to phishing and generally more secure than traditional password. And that is it. That's how you can use your passkeys instead of passwords on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.